tell you a story about
The Little Bunny and the Rain Fox! Yay!
In a beautiful forest, the flowers bloomed for the first time to welcome of the warm spring. Birds were chirping happily and flying in the blue sky. Wake up, all the forest dwellers, with the good news. Animals that spent time during the winter sleeping began to wake up and cried out. A little bunny ran excitedly towards the lake in the middle of the forest carrying some berries. By the lake, sees Kelompok.
Frogs, where are you?
That's you, Bunny?
Yes, it's me! Look, what I found is the beautiful spring today. Berries!
Wow! The color is so beautiful.
Yes, let's eat together. Yum! It's so yummy!
While then to eat some berries, the little bunny attention were diverted to a group of frogs reading on the latest light. The frog looked out at the big blue sky and began to each other. Without pause, it managed to wonder bunny. She looked at her best friend, the frogs, and then asked,
What are they doing? Are they singing?
Ah, that's normally of us. Actually, it's not a song but a ritual of the frogs to summoning the rain.
Summoning the rain?
Yep, call the rain.
Why?
The frogs perform a rain summoning ritual so that the spring soil has enough water and good nutrients to improve the texture of the soil for winter. If the soil in this forest is good, the seeds of new plants left behind in winter can grow tall during the spring season.
Oh, so that's why is it? But it's really raining? It's really sunny today.
Let's wait and see.
The little bunny continued to stare at the sky, which was getting cloudy. She did not shift his focus to the sky. Suddenly, a roar of thunder was heard.
Did you hear that?
Yes, I heard that. Sound of thunders means the sun is will rain.
I told you right.
Yeah. See you later, frog. I have to go home if I don't want my fur to get wet. I don't like the cold.
Haha, it's okay, Bunny. We'll come here again tomorrow. Be careful.
Yeah. So, see you later.
Bye-bye.